Hello and welcome to the channel guys, this is Abhishek and today we are going to design this epic concept mask. I call it zombie theme. Well, it doesn't matter much. This is what it's going to look like. Do comment down below if you like the concept. So without wasting further time, let's start from the scratch. So we are going to start by sketching some profiles and then revolving them. So you can note down the dimension or you can screenshot. So this is going to be the support of a mask, the support which it will give to our head. So let's revolve this profile. So now after this we are going to sketch the side profile of the mask. You can note down the dimensions. After completing the profile, let's extrude this. And now we are going to sketch on the right hand plane. So this is going to be the side profile of a mask. Again, you can note down the dimensions. And I don't know why I sketched that line, but not a problem. Also you can do some changes so while sketching. So here we go, we got a profile. Hide the unwanted body. Now we are going to sketch the cross section of a mask on the right hand plane as well. So let's now dimension this. And we got a profile. So now we have to draw another sketch on the side plane. This will be just a line parallel to the another one, and distance will be 15 mm. And then we are going to use the loft tool, and here we go. A mask is taking the shape. Now let's mirror those things. So now let's create a cylinder holder or the air filter holder, whatever you call it. Let's dimension this profile. Let's extrude the profile so that we get what we need. And after some minor changes and modifications, here we go, we got a cylinder holder. So now we need to extrude the cylinder. Let's create some geometry on its face so it looks much appealing. And after some modification and selects, our cylinder is ready. Let's create some profiles on a mask tool by using plane at an angle. You can use your imagination and try to change these geometries. It's not compulsory to draw these things only. And the geometry is almost ready. So now it's time to extrude these geometries or sketches, whatever we call it. So it took me some time to adjust the slots and the sketch because I wanted to give fillets to all the slots. So I did some modifications.
Two hours later.
And here we go. It's ready. So now it's time to use the 3D sketch spline. So first we are going to use the 3D sketch spline, and it took me a while to find the center of the circle. Okay, so I got it. So let's adjust this spline so that we don't get any sharp edge on our pipe. So now it's time to try whether the pipe looks good or not. I think we don't need point so that we get a smooth curve down here. And here we go. It looks cool. Gives a kind of zombie feel. So now it's time to mirror all these bodies on the other side. Okay, that looks cool. I don't know why I sketch these plans, but not a problem. The idea behind this was that these pipes would get connected at a master cylinder that people carry on the back. So it took me a while to adjust these lines too. Not lines, they are splines. And here we go. So now it's time to add some fillet. So I've tried to fillet each and every sharp edge because it is a mask, so it is going to be, so people are going to wear it on their face, and it should not have any much sharp edges. So there are no fixed values of the fillets. I have adjusted them according to however I want. So it's up to you. You can change the dimensions of the fillet. It took me a while to actually fillet all these edges.
2 hours later.
And here we go, we finished all the fillets. It was a time consuming thing. So just wanted to make some minor changes on the front profile of the mask. And I tried to add a type of hollow slots here so that these two bodies look connected by the slots. Okay, that looks good. And here we go, our model is all set, so it is looking good. I hope you like it too. So let's save your rendering time, and this is what the model looks after 2 hours of rendering. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, do subscribe for more such future content. This is Abhishek signing off.